Hello students. So today I am going to teach you science of class 5th, and the next chapter in your book is water and its pollution. So in this chapter we will read about how our water bodies are contaminated by various sources and what are the effects of water pollution. Water acts as universal solvent. People need it to grow crops and to operate factories and for drinking and recreation. Day by day, water resources are decreasing by so many human activities. The substances that pollute water are called water pollutants. Water becomes polluted by following reasons: release of harmful chemicals from industries include arsenic, lead, and fluorides, which lead to toxicity in plants and animals. Discharge of waste directly into the water stream. Animal waste could also add dangerous pathogen into the water. Water can get polluted with air contaminants that reach the land and water via acid rain. Pesticides and weedicides can pollute the groundwater. Ponds become polluted by the deposition of phosphate in the form of algae, which appears green in color, called eutrophication. It decreases oxygen level for aquatic organisms in pond. Discharge of food waste and detergents into lakes. Chemical concentration in water is increased by the immersion of idols of gods and goddesses during festivals. Discharge of feces into water from human and animals. Water also polluted by the discharge of water from power plants and industry into the rivers. So, it increases the temperature of rivers, affecting aquatic plants and animals. Antihistamines and other medicines disturb the pond or lake ecosystem. Effects of water pollution. Waterborne diseases like typhoid, amoebiasis, and diarrhea, etc. Skin problems like rashes, headache, fever, yellowing of teeth, liver damage, neurological problems, degraded immune function, decreased fertility. Aquatic plants and animals population will decrease due to the decrease of oxygen levels. Control measures. Treating polluted water by chlorination process. Second, laws for industrial units should be strictly implemented. 3. Installation of water treatment plants. 4. Using filters for safe drinking water in homes. 5. Follow boiling method to remove impurities. 6. Testing polluted water to observe contaminants. 7. Recycle and reuse wastewater. Thus, in this chapter we have learned that water is an important natural resource and it should be used carefully and should not be wasted. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.